Hello, hello. So first thing with our block of text is you want to make paragraph styles. So you basically style it, highlight it, and then add it as a style, which is very important because that goes across your whole entire document. Then once you've done that, you add a couple of pages where you dump your table of content in. Then you go to layout, table of content, and then add your header style. And we don't have a TOC yet, so I'm just going to put it on subparagraph for now so that it's not too big. And then you bump it in there. This looks okay, but we can make it more clear. So if you highlight your text and then go to type tabs, then you can make it look nice. Put a dot there. So that looks nice. And so this is how I like it. So I'm going to highlight that and make that a TOC paragraph style. Hit OK. Save. And then make it add to there so it automatically references it to that specific style. So let's make another paragraph so you can see what happens. Make that number 7. And then go back to your table of contents, then layout, update, table of contents, and then it just adds it as such. And that's all there's to it.